Hey guys, welcome back to Organic Essentials, where we make real food recipes. And today we're making KFC Famous Bowls from scratch at home. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our russet potatoes. We wanna give those a nice peel, and then we're gonna boil them till they're fork tender. And the thing about this recipe is there are a few different layers involved. So we're gonna do a little multitasking. So while our potatoes are boiling, we're gonna move on to our popcorn chicken. So we're gonna pat dry our chicken thighs and just cut them into little bite-sized pieces here in a bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and get them seasoned up with some sea salt. We've got some onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and some cracked black pepper, okay? And then I also like to add in a little bit of flour and arrowroot just to give it that like light, crispy breading. And then we're also gonna add in some avocado oil and mix that up. And then we're gonna air fry these chicken bites for about 20 minutes on 400. So while that's cooking, we're gonna go ahead and move to our corn. So I wanted to use fresh corn, so I've got a couple ears of corn here, and just gonna cut the kernels off in a bowl and just rinse those off. And then I decided to saute them in a little skillet, and that only takes about just a couple minutes. You could also use canned corn here too, that would be fine. But once your corn is done and your popcorn chicken is done, right around then your potatoes are gonna be fork tender. So we're gonna put those in a bowl, mash them up, and this is where I like to add in the butter when it's nice and hot so it can melt. And then we're gonna add in our coconut milk and our plain Greek yogurt for some creaminess. And then I like to season with some sea salt and cracked pepper and garlic powder, lots of garlic powder. These are gonna be nice and creamy and garlicky. All right, now we get to start on our gravy. So you wanna take your drippings and put them in a pot. I didn't have enough drippings, so I used a little bit of butter to stretch it, which you can totally do. And then add in your flour and get your roux going, okay? Once your roux is good, then you wanna add in your chicken broth and stir it around. Season it up with some sea salt and cracked pepper. And then I like to thicken my gravy with just a little bit of arrowroot and get it to your desired thickness. Usually it'll be a nice, like thick, peppery, delicious, smooth gravy. Now all of our layers are done. So this is the fun part. We get to layer it just like KFC. So we've got our garlic mashed potatoes. We've got our homemade air-fried popcorn chicken. We've got a layer of our fresh corn. Now we're gonna drizzle on our homemade, delicious, flavorful gravy on top. Last but not least, we're gonna add in a little bit of shredded cheddar. And there it is, the KFC Famous Bowl. We made it at home, you can make it at home too. We've got our from scratch KFC Famous Bowl. We've got our layers, we've got our mashed potatoes, chicken, which we air fried, and then of course our corn, our gravy, and our shredded cheese. That's it. So I tried to get the perfect bite, a little bit of everything on this fork. So let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Cheers. The flavors are crazy. First of all, dang. Okay, this is better. And I'm not just saying that. The flavors are very rich. First of all, I'm not much of a gravy person. Making the gravy from scratch, the flavor is so much more bold. The corn is fresh. It's got texture. Oh my God. And we did not fry the chicken, it tastes fried, but when you air fry it like that, the potatoes are nice and garlicky and creamy and buttery. 10 out of 10. I would definitely make this again. I think you should make this and let me know what you think. Comment below. This is one of my favorites, honestly. I didn't think it was gonna be one of my favorites, but it's one of my favorites. This is fantastic. Special shout out to Ike Reidemeyer, who actually suggested this recipe. Comment below if you've got some other recipe suggestions as well. I'd be happy to make it with real food and kind of put my spin on it. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps our channel. And check out our other videos like up here or up here. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.